Welcome to another episode of Quarantine Math. If you just watched my video on expanded form, we're now going to look at standard form. This is where we take that expanded form and put those numbers back together to get the way we would normally see the number written. So let's start with 10 plus 3. That's the expanded form of what number? Well, I'm going to write it out. I have a 1 in the tens place. I have a 3 in the ones place. The number is 13. What if I had 200 plus 40 plus 8? Expanded form of this number. I have a 2 in my hundreds place. So let's start to write it, thinking about my place value. I have a 40 in the tens place, so I have a 4 in the tens. And I have an 8. I have 8 ones. That goes in the ones place. So expanded form, 200 plus 40 plus 8 gives me the standard form, 248. 400 plus 6. Okay, this is where we're going to have to really think about our place value. I'm going to write my expanded number in standard form. So starting with my largest digit is going to be a 4 in the hundreds place because the number is 400. The next number is a 6. That number is in the ones place. Do I have any tens? No. If I don't have any, I have to put in a 0 when I go to write my standard form. And this 6 is a 1. It goes in the ones place. 406. So 400 plus 6 equals 406. You have to remember I had no tens, so I have no tens. Okay, here's another one. Don't let this one stump you either. 3,000 plus 500 plus 20. All right, so I'm going to start with my largest digit. This largest digit is a 3,000. It's going to be a 3 in the thousands place. Put my comma because I know I'm going to enter into the hundreds now. Oh, I have 100. I have how many hundreds? I have 5 hundreds. Put my 5 in the hundreds place. How many tens do I have? Well, I have 20. That's 2 tens. And I have how many ones? 0. So I need to make sure I put that in. If I don't remember that 0, 3,052 or 3,520 would look like 352 with a misplaced comma. I'm going to erase what I have here, and I'm going to put up 3 for you to try at home. Well, and then I'm going to put up 1 bonus. So how about 200 plus 40 plus 8? What would that equal? Oh, I'm sorry, you can't see it. Thinking about these are the expanded form, placing it in standard form. 1,000 plus 30 plus 9. 600 plus 50 plus 1. And then here's the bonus. 30,000. I'm going to star that bonus for you so you remember which one it was. 30,000 plus 800 plus 60 equals what? So these are the expanded form. Your task would be to show me this in standard form. Use what you know.